All right, what you got?
You shall have no other gods before me. You should not make for yourself a carved image. Don't take the Lord your God. Don't take the name of God in vain. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. This is a priest. Here's God. Here's the Egyptian birdie kind of God. Here's Buddha, weird Indian God, another Pharaoh king. And honor your father and mother. Here's the mom. Here's the dad. Do not murder. Charge. Do not commit adultery. Do not steal. Do not lie. I didn't drink the coffee. Watch your head behind your back. And do not covet. I really want that surfboard.
Awesome, dude.
That's all of the 10 Commandments.
Great job.